Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. I just want to share to all of you itong aking tutorial with regards to my health, health. Health to kasi kaya ako sinabing health kasi nakakatulong talaga to sa aking health. And for all you know, alam nyo naman na these ingredients that I'm gonna use is always very useful sa ating health. It gives us more health benefits like carrot, celery, apple. Ayan, ikot ko nananggal po yung balat niya, pero this one, ito tinanggal ko. So, sinishare ko lang po sa inyo sa tulad, especially to those who are our elders and to us also senior citizen like me. Mami A is already 68 turning 69. So, I just wanna share it with your family, with your friends, and especially sa mga elders na katulad ko. That's why I'm making this video because I don't wanna be selfish. I wanna help everybody na makapag-attain ng magandang health. Especially sa mga tao dyan na medyo sickly na yung ating mga elders and also our parents. Pwede rin naman to sa younger age, guys. Pero, I'll make it a routine na uminom nito. Kasi, parang, when I got sick previously, ito yung ininom ko. It was told to me by one of my sister. And also, I have one friend which is working in an alternative medicine, I should say rather. She was the one who told me that. I asked her na, will this benefits my health? And she answered me, oo Ate Alona. Yeah, it will benefit you surely. But it will almost take a long time naman. Iba naman daw yung kasi medicine para medyo instantly. Pero ito, para ka nag-i-invest, unti-unti mo mararamdaman ang resulta ng iniinom mo kasi as a matter of fact fresh to di ba guys? Alam naman natin pag fresh, iba ang dating niya sa katawan natin, no? Wala tayong inaalala na may mga after effect or whatever, di ba? Kasi fruits to we usually eat this every day. So gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo and how to do it. That's why I decided to make a tutorial out of this, di ba guys? Kasi gusto ko rin pong makatulong kasi syempre kayo mga especially those children na gusto nilang humaba pa yung buhay ng kanilang mga elders, mga parents, grandparents, it will help. Kasi pwede nyo naman itong i-check kasi naman ito guys, talagang beneficial to sa health namin. Natin, for everybody guys. So, hindi naman to gaanong kalakihan ng expenses mo rito. Kaysa yung gamot na biniinom mo, 'di ba? As long as you are still healthy, yun, mas magandang inumin to. At saka, besides guys, masarap naman ang lasa nito guys. Totoo lang. This is a natural juice. So, ito guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo isa-isa kung ano ang mga ginamit ko rito. That's celery, guys. Depende naman sa iyo kung gusto mo marami, gusto mo konti, gusto mo mag-outstand yung celery. It depends on you. Kasi ako, okay na yung ganyan sa akin. This is optional naman. Ayan. Yung kaya gusto ko ng maraming apples kasi nga medyo nagugustuhan ko yung tamis. So hindi ako nadadalang inumin. At saka ito kasi this carrots is medyo may sweet may sweet taste to kaya gusto ko rin to. Actually, I'm a diabetic and I was diagnosed with high blood. Pero later on ako-correct ko naman po siya unti-unti. And I also care for people like me. Kaya nga I decided to make a tutorial out of this para lahat po tayo malaman natin, 'di ba? Kasi minsan din natin alam yung mga ganito. Some of us don't even know about this. But maybe alam ko, karamihan kaya alam na nila. But this is medyo pag iba naman, alam niyo naman daw, sa middle class lang ako. So na-afford kong gumawa ng ganito, guys. So here it is. Ituturo ko na po sa inyo. And by the way, I will repeat again, carrots, apples, and celery, and this mineral water over here. Kasi lalagyan mo siya para medyo makatas talaga siya ng husto, guys. And this is, only you have to use this blender. You know, guys, flex ko lang yung aking apo who gave me this. Kasi alam niya na, matanda na yung lola niya, di ba? Tulad yung mga apo, mahalin niyo yung mga lola ninyo. Because, alam niyo na kung hindi sa mga lola ninyo, wala kayong parents. Okay? Joke lang, guys. Alam ko naman some of you who are watching right now ay mapagmahal sa mga magulang, mapagmahal sa mga lola, and also the elders. And alam ko, 90% are respectable. So, guys, ina-assume ko na yon. So, those naman na hindi masyado, change na natin, mahalin natin yung mga matatanda na, kasi naman without them, we're not here in this world. So guys, ito, start ko na para makita nyo paano ko to gagawin guys. By the way nga pala guys, pag ito na blend ko na, i-strain ko to para makuha ko yung buong katas. And besides, yung mga pinagkatasan nito, you can also make it as a fertilizer to your plant. So, there's a lot of useful things that you can achieve from what am I doing today. Okay guys? So, here it is. I'm gonna start now. And don't forget to subscribe again. Sorry, this is Mami Alona, just an amateur. So maybe you can help me para naman medyo makompensate tayo ng YouTube, dire-diretso. That's all guys. So don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami Alona guys. So here it is. I'm gonna begin and teach you my tutorial regarding this beneficial juice for us. Okay? Oh guys, ito na, ilalagay na natin to. I'm gonna remove this cup over here kasi ito naman guys, may pang ano siya, pang stir. Ayan guys. So I'm gonna remove this first. And ito muna ilalagay ko, carrots, guys, carrots. Ayan. And then the celery. Ayan guys. And the apple. So kaya I'm using this para medyo hygienic siya, hindi yung marumi ang kamay guys. Siyempre, some of you are watching this kung gayahin ako, diba guys? Tsaka lahat to, properly wash yan guys. Oh. As you can see, it's so clean. Yan lang guys ang gagawin ko. And then, I'm gonna place it there. Ito na nga siya guys. So, para po siya ma-blend ng maayos, so I'm gonna put some mineral water over here. Yan guys, oh. Yan guys, ayan. So, I'll start blending it na, guys. Kaya tandaan nyo, guys, by doing this, we can prolong ang ating buhay. Besides, hindi naman to gamot na iniinom. Kaysa naman umiinom tayo ng mga juices na alam natin. It's being told by the Google, in some of our social media platform that it has a lot of sugar. And this one, wala to sugar. What we get sugar from this is very natural. Guys, to begin with, I'm gonna blend it na. Blend it lang siya, guys. As easy as that. And later, nakakita mo na siya na equally blend siya, incorporate na siya, everything around this blender. So, we won't stop from that. Tutuloy-tuloy pa. Once na okay na po siya, yung na blend na siya, talagang durog na po siya, that's the time na i-ano natin, i-strain ko na. Maybe I don't have to show you anymore. Hindi ko na kailangan, very basic naman yun, i-strain mo lang naman siya sa strainer, and then syempre makukuha mo na yung juice niya. And if you're only in front of me, you can smell the aroma of what I'm doing. Guys, yan, totoo yan guys. I hope guys na you learn something from me na beneficial. Kasi nga alam nyo guys, talagang nowadays ang dami nagkakasakit. Would you prefer to be hospitalized or you have to prevent? If you can do something to prevent, so mag-aadla ko ng konti para dumami-dami ng konti. Kasi once lang to, mga almost 3 days ko itong iniinom. I usually take this 3 times a day. I took once a day lang. Kasi hindi ko naman din ma-afford. Middle class lang ang buhay ko. So, I can't afford to drink this 3 times a day. Pero, dapat talaga 2 times a day. Pwede na okay na, even once a day. Depende sa'yo. Siyempre, alam naman, medyo pricey. Pag dadamihan mo talaga yung 2 times, okay na yon. Basta medyo kakainin lang natin yung mga alam natin na hindi bawal sa atin, di ba? Special to those sickly elders, yun. Di ba yan? Yun lang, guys. So, I hope you learn something from me, guys. So, i-blend ko siya ulit. Yan. Pinagdagan ko lang po yung yung mineral water kasi medyo pwede pa naman. Actually, okay na to guys. So, strain ko na lang. Hindi ko na sa inyo papakita. Kasi guys, very basic naman yun syempre. Sense of common sense, diba guys? So, thank you for watching my video. for my tutorial video regarding some health benefits. Kaya I hope na you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget Mami Alona. Ito proof lang to guys na at the age of 68, 69, medyo in God's will and God's name, and God, if God's willing, tumaba pa yung buhay. 'Di ba guys? Yun. Kaya sinishare ko po sa inyo kasi gusto ko lahat tayo maba pa yung buhay, gumanda yung pangangatawan. Kasi this is, you know, ginagawa ko po to kasi alam ko marami yung mga elders na katulad ko, mga parents, grandparents, na talagang need natin na alagaan din. Kaya, those children, advice ko lang, mahalin nyo rin yung parents nyo. Do everything that will make them happy. Don't stress them out. Kasi talagang malaking effect yan. Kahit magtanong kayo sa yung doktor, once ang parents stress, talagang it can affect totally the health. That's all for the day. Sana po may nagustuhan niyo yung aking tutorial video today. Konting pangaral. So, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching my video. God bless everyone and stay healthy. Bye!